Introducing the Volkswagen T-Roc SE, now available as part of our approved used program here at Crewe Volkswagen dealership. This mid-sized coupe-shaped crossover is an ideal vehicle if you're looking for a little bit of style with substance and practicality, one might add. This one is guaranteed to turn a few heads as it's finished in the optional Ravenna blue metallic painter, which is paint only available on this T-Roc, and it also comes with contrasting black roof pack and black wing mirrors. As this is an SE model, some of the luxuries you'll get with the car will include automatic headlights with windscreen wipers, as well as these cool LED daytime running lights. Plenty of chrome complements the honeycomb grille in the front and the lower part, and it just further enhances that chunky look of the car, as well as these flared wheel arches, which also come with 17-inch comeback alloy wheels as standard. Additionally, you can see there's some plastic molding around the lower parts of the vehicle. Again, if you're planning on taking the vehicle off-road or in a countryside, you'll be happy to know that you won't scratch any of the paint. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, full LED taillight technology is available, as well as indicators incorporated, and this lower crossover diffuser, again with the twin exhaust, just adds to the overall look with the prominent T-Roc badge. Now, don't let this car scare you. Although it might be coupe-like in shape, believe me, there's plenty of practicality with a large boot. You can easily fit 3 large suitcases and maybe a carry-on luggage as well. But if you needed more space, you'll be happy to know there is a 60-40 split seats available with a ski hatch in the center for any longer items. Additionally, metal tether hooks are available, as well as shopping hooks to hang any bags to prevent them from rattling. Underneath here, you have a benefit of a full-size spare wheel, and if you need to create more space, you can drop this parcel shelf here by creating more space if needed. Passengers in the rear will benefit from a roomy cabin with comfortable seating for up to 3 passengers, electric windows all round, as well as two-tone interior featuring this black tartan seat with this white stitching all across here in the center. Also, the center seat acts as a center armrest with adjustable cup holder sizes, and there's even independent rear air vents to keep passengers happy, as well as a 12-volt connector so you can plug in any USB adapters, for example, and even magazine holders. As we move to the front of the vehicle, dark ceramic oak inserts lavish the cabin not just in the side doors, but also across the whole center of the cabin, just adding in that little bit air of premium quality. And again, it matches the same colored seats quite well. They offer a bit more side support as well, and there's plenty of adjustment and comfort available, as well as a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel and the 8-inch infotainment screen, which we'll come on to in a moment. Once in the driver's seat, the 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel is quite nice to hold, and the buttons are very easy to operate, which control the trip computer directly ahead. Various information can be displayed, such as a digital speedometer, but you also have a number of active safety systems available, such as a lane assist lane keeping system, front assist city emergency braking system, and there is even adaptive cruise control available with a speed limiter as well, so you can keep a specific distance from a car in front. Also, you'll be able to control all your radio stations on the move and even answer and reject any incoming phone calls. As I mentioned, the 8-inch infotainment screen has got everything you would like. From connectivity, very easy to use, nice large tiles. You've got the benefit of full AM, FM and DAB digital radio with presettable radio stations depending on what you like. Full media connectivity for any add-ons such as Bluetooth audio or CD player are available as well. The Bluetooth pairing on this car is incredibly easy to do, and it'll find your phone quite quickly by pressing the Find Mobile Phone. But you'll also be happy to know you get Volkswagen's App Connect system, which features both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone connectivity, so you'll be able to use systems such as Google Maps, iMaps or even Waze displayed on the screen directly ahead of you. Also, one of the little luxuries will be the fact that this car comes with a 2-zone climate control system, which is very easy to operate via the screen, or you can operate the rotary dials here at the bottom. Whichever of the 2 systems you prefer to use, it's very easy to use. Finally, to help with parking, you'll be happy to know there's front and rear audible and visual parking sensors as well. If you would like to know more information on this T-Roc SE in Ravenna blue metallic with a black roof pack, why not pick up the phone and contact one of our friendly sales team on 01270 50 70 50. From myself, many thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.